Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an account on ServiceNow and its developer instance. So now search for ServiceNow, then go to their website, then click on the profile icon and then click on get a service ID. Now you have to fill all of your details like full name, last name, email, company, phone, country and more. And after filling up all the details, just press sign up. And now it will send a verification link in your inbox. So just go and check your inbox. What you have to do is just click on the button which says click here. That will verify your account. Just do that. So as you can see, I have successfully logged into ServiceNow main account. So for getting developer instance, just click on the link given below in the description and then you will be redirected to this page. And now what you have to do is just again verify your account by going to your mail and getting the 6-digit verification code. You can just simply copy it and paste right here and then click verify. And then you have to enable analytics, just press agree. And now you have to click on ServiceNow developer program. Just click on that. So after that, if you are asked a question, just choose anyone and just press next. After that, you have to just click on request instance. As it says, we are processing your request. It will take few seconds. So just wait for few seconds. So after a few minutes, you will get your instance link and your ID and password. Now what you have to do is just simply copy and paste your ID and password and keep it safe somewhere. For example, in Notepad. Simply copy it and paste it. And also the user link. Just keep it safe. And now you can just simply click on the link given above and it will take you to your developer instance. So as you can see, I am now in my developer instance. So that's all. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.